So what does one eat when they are doing Whole30? That is the question. So I thought it'd be fun to film what I eat in a day, Whole30 edition. So I filmed my breakfast, snacks, lunch, and dinner, so you can just kind of see what an average day looks like. You can kind of see how much I eat, what I like to eat. Again, there is a lot of variety and every day looks a little bit different, but this is generally just an average day. And if you missed my video I posted on Friday, I did a whole video on just the progress and how I feel my first half of Whole30. So if you missed that, I'm gonna up here and down below in case you wanna watch it. I always find these videos super interesting, so I thought you guys might as well. So for breakfast today, I was pretty hungry. I decided to shred a potato to make my own hash browns. Take a little bit of ghee and add it to a non-stick skillet to add the potatoes and sprinkle with sea salt. After about 3 to 4 minutes, you can flip your potato hash browns over and fry the other side. To make an egg scramble, I'm just going to take a little bit of ghee and add it to that skillet and crack 2 eggs inside the skillet. Tear up a little bit of spinach and add some crumbled, sugar-free, Whole30 approved bacon and sprinkle with salt and pepper. I've also been loving this Siete jalapeno hot sauce. It's super delicious on so many things, especially my breakfast and my eggs. I honestly cannot get enough of LaCroix, and Lara bars and RX bars have saved my life for little trips to the beach and such, all healthy, clean ingredients. I also just tried this kombucha flavor over the weekend and love it. After the beach, I came home pretty hungry, so I decided to make a big chopped Cobb-esque type salad with chopped veggies and extra grilled chicken I had on hand from the night before. Topping my salads with things like nuts and bacon really go a long way, and this amazing ranch from Primal Kitchen has been a lifesaver. Most afternoons I crave just something sweet, so I decided to make a healthy smoothie using almond milk, frozen banana, spinach, frozen strawberries, hemp seeds, coconut flakes, raw almond butter, and some ice. It turned out delicious, and it was a healthier version of a strawberry banana smoothie and held me off till dinner. I wanted to use up some ingredients in my fridge, so I decided to do another chopped salad, but this time a Mexican Caesar. I used black olives, romaine lettuce, red onion, chopped up a bunch of cilantro, and cut up some red tomatoes from my garden. I also toasted some raw pepitas that I had in a little bit of ghee and sea salt. I cut up a small potato, tossed in a little bit of olive oil and seasoning, and I roasted it in the oven with tater tots for the family. This Mexican Caesar salad was so good with things like olives, avocado, and this delicious Caesar dressing by Primal Kitchen. We decided to grill up some meat that we had in the fridge, so we used chicken and a few different chicken sausages, and that completed our delicious dinner. Everybody loved it, and it was really quite satisfying. And I also have chicken left over for tomorrow.